Hello, do you have these audiophile Meze 99 classic headphones and want to replace the earpad cushions? It's an easy upgrade to switch from the leather style to velour, making the headphones much more comfortable for daily use. To remove the earpads, just grab them and pull them away from the headphone housing. They are held in place with the help of a small groove. The link to replacement pads is in the video description. Before attaching the new pads, stretch the edge of the new pads a bit. It helps make installation much easier. To install the new pads, insert the earpad edge into the headphone housing groove as much as possible. Then, with one hand, hold the inserted part in place so it doesn't slide out, and with your other hand pull in the rest of the pad edge. In the end, rotate the earpad, or with the help of a fingernail, tuck the last part of the edge into the groove. It takes a little bit of time, but it's not hard. These velour pads feel so good on hot days. No more sweat or sticky skin. Good luck!